Elon Musk has once again shifted the spotlight from Tesla's cars to Tesla's robots. In late January 2026, multiple major outlets reported that Tesla plans to end production of the Model S and Model X in the second quarter of 2026. The reported reason is strategic. Tesla wants to free up capacity, including at the Fremont factory, to focus more heavily on its humanoid robot program, Optimus, and on AI. Let's separate what is confirmed from what is speculation. First, what appears consistent across credible reporting and public statements. Tesla is signaling a pivot, not an immediate shutdown of everything, but a clear shift of priority away from two legacy vehicle lines and toward robotics and AI. Second, what is not confirmed and is often exaggerated online. Claims that the Fremont lines have already been dismantled or that production has already stopped today are not reliably documented in primary sources. So for a news-style video, it is safer to describe the move as a plan with a stated timeline, second quarter of 2026. Now, why do the Model S and Model X matter? They are iconic products, but in the current Tesla lineup, they are not the highest volume vehicles. Ending them is not the same as Tesla leaving cars behind. It is, however, a strong symbol. It suggests Tesla is willing to retire legacy flagships to reallocate money, people, and factory space toward what Musk sees as the next major platform. That next platform, in Musk's framing, is Optimus. At the World Economic Forum in Davos in January 2026, Musk discussed Optimus in terms of real factory use in a staged roadmap. He said Tesla already had a small number of Optimus robots doing simple tasks in a factory setting. He also suggested that by the end of 2026, the robots could progress to more capable work and later move toward broader deployment. The key point here is wording. These are projections, they are not guarantees. And simple tasks is not the same as fully autonomous humanoids performing complex jobs without supervision. This distinction matters because the internet often turns pilot usage into mass production. So what do we actually know about the near-term Optimus timeline? Tech outlets have reported that Tesla intends to show a more advanced Optimus generation, often described as Gen 3, around the first quarter of 2026, and that Tesla aims for an initial production line closer to the end of 2026. That does not mean millions of robots are already being shipped. It means Tesla is positioning 2026 as a transition year, from demos and prototypes towards something closer to a production intent design. Now, zoom out for a moment. Humanoid robotics is one of the most hyped areas in technology right now, and AI is a major reason. Modern AI systems have improved at perception, motion planning, learning from demonstrations, and adapting to different environments. But humanoid robots still face hard constraints. Hands are difficult, balance is difficult, power efficiency is difficult, safety is difficult, cost is difficult. In other words, there is a big gap between a compelling demo and a robot that can work reliably for hours every day in messy, unpredictable real-world environments. That is why the first real value for humanoids is likely to appear in controlled settings: factories, warehouses, structured tasks, limited variability, clear safety rules. When you see claims like the robot can cook, clean, and do hundreds of home tasks right now, treat that as marketing, not as verified capability, unless there are detailed, independently verifiable demonstrations. So for a news-style video, the accurate framing is this. Tesla is pushing Optimus as a future product line. It may begin with narrow industrial tasks, and Tesla is using its AI narrative to argue that the robot could eventually become a major business. This connects directly to Tesla's corporate story. There has also been major attention on Musk's compensation and control issues. Reporting in recent months described shareholder actions related to Musk's compensation package, an ongoing debate about governance, incentives, and how tightly Tesla's future strategy is tied to one person's vision. Separately, Musk has publicly said he wants stronger voting control, on the order of roughly 25%, to pursue advanced AI and robotics initiatives inside Tesla. Again, precision matters. Saying Musk wants around 25% voting control is different from saying Musk already has it or the board has granted it. Those are not the same claim, and the second claim requires very specific documentation. Now, there's another topic that gets mixed into this story: Neuralink and mind control of robots. Here, the safest approach is caution. There have been public statements about Neuralink's goals for scaling and improving its procedures, and there is ongoing public discussion about future brain-computer interfaces and robotics. But it is not responsible to present controlling Optimus with your thoughts as an imminent consumer feature. That would require mature hardware, robust safety, regulatory clearance, and reliable real-world performance. So, in a clean news script, this idea should be framed as a long-term speculation, not a near-term product. If you want a simple summary of Tesla's pivot as of early 2026, it is this. 1. Tesla is expected to end Model S and Model X production in the second quarter of 2026, according to major reporting. 2. Tesla and Musk are positioning Optimus and AI as a central long-term value driver. 3. Tesla is signaling near-term milestones, showing an upgraded robot in early 2026 and aiming for an initial production capacity later in 2026. But these are targets, not guaranteed outcomes. 4. Many viral claims around factory lines already dismantled, millions of robots already in production, or mind control integration arriving soon should be treated as unverified or speculative unless backed by strong primary evidence. Now, what does this mean for the broader tech landscape? It means humanoid robots are moving from a novelty phase toward a commercialization phase. But commercialization does not mean overnight mass adoption. It usually means slow rollout, narrow use cases, and heavy iteration. It also means competition will intensify. Multiple companies are working on humanoid robots for industrial use. Some target warehouses, others target factories, some aim for general-purpose capabilities, and most of them are still early in the curve. So the real question is not who has the best demo. The real question is who can deliver reliability at scale. Because in robotics, scale is brutally unforgiving. A system that looks great in a controlled demo can fail when it meets dust, glare, clutter, unexpected objects, varied lighting, and unpredictable human behavior. If Tesla can translate its AI advantage and its manufacturing discipline into a dependable humanoid platform, Optimus could become a significant business. If it cannot, Optimus could remain a high-profile prototype program that moves more slowly than the hype suggests. Either way, Tesla's willingness to retire two iconic models sends a clear message. Tesla is not only competing as an automaker, it is trying to compete as an AI and robotics company. And that is the real story behind the headlines. If you want, I can also produce a shorter 60 to 90-second version for shorts or reels and a safe phrasing list, what to say and what to avoid, to keep the videos strictly